In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Satisfyer promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up web browser and then go to google.com. Next, here at the search box just type in Satisfyer promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that page where you can find a lot of different websites, contains promo codes, and now you can go to any of that site and here, as you can see, I got two promo codes. The first give me 40% off and I can hit there at show code to see that promo code. Here it says that that code has been copied to my clipboard, so now I can move to Satisfyer website and then buy their stuff. And once you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to enter that promo code in promo code field and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that website and try to use another promo code from here. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.